What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Benny Gold back with another video, and today we are cooking New York strip steak to go with mashed potatoes and Hawaiian rolls. Now, y'all know the drill when it comes to a cooking video. We gotta get the meat seasoned and everything, so we're gonna get started with that first. Before we do that, make sure y'all hit the like button, that subscribe button. Let's go. We're gonna mix in the mashed potatoes after we get seasoning it now. We'll do more steak chop on here. Also gonna add a little bit of seasoning while it's on that fire. And it's gonna be like we butter basting it, if that makes sense. We pan searing it, we definitely gonna be butter basting it. So now that we have done that, meat is seasoned. We're gonna give the pan some time to warm up, and then we're gonna get to cooking. Stop it. Easy, done. Pan feeling hot. I'm gonna start putting butter in that first steak. I'm gonna place in like so. Like so. And we ain't gonna waste this seasoning at all. At least we're gonna try not to. All of that. Y'all can smell this kitchen right now. You can smell this kitchen right now. Give y'all a little bit of that show, a little bit of that wrist work. It ain't nothing. Like I said, it's like butter basting. We need more butter. Be honest, is it the most healthy way to cook a steak? Probably not. But is it gonna be delicious? Bet your ass it is. We're gonna put a little bit of this lemon drop on there. This gonna be good. This gonna be good. Like I said, we're gonna let that A1 ride in there a little bit for a little bit of extra flavor. Not nothing too crazy. Peek under the hood, shall we? Getting there. Yep. That's gonna be good. While we're saying here, we're gonna put a little bit more seasoning on it. Why not? Why not? We're gonna do our first flip. Yeah, that's weird, man. And guess what we do now? We add a little bit more butter. Like so. We're gonna let it cook, y'all. Be back in a second. First, peep at the inside. See how it's doing. Still a little too bloody. But it's getting there. Another, depending on how you like your steak. But for me, I'm looking for medium, almost medium well. I just want a little bit of pink. I ain't gonna do like last time when I shot myself, but what's a good piece of steak? Y'all know I got a bite coming for y'all. Give me 1 second, hold on. It's tender, it's juicy. Cut that fat off of y'all, don't worry. I almost took this second bite for myself, I ain't gonna lie. Come on, come close. Come on, come closer. Give you a second to chew, y'all. I know everything juicy and tender. It's good. Yeah, they done. Guys, I'm just gonna put the steak, mashed potatoes, rolls, and that's it. Guys, as you can see, another gourmet meal made by your boy Benny Gold, Chef Gold, you can call me, Hibachi Benny, whatever you want to call me. But look, I'm gonna clean up, we're gonna eat up. Make sure y'all hit that like button, that subscribe button. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. See you.